Lotoma fatia waliai uso ufia fia wapeyo sani wetu ayo iya o se langona they say si mana omia wana se polonga o mana ngaile taulia Lotoma fatia aliai so ufia fia wapeya sani wetu ayo iya o se langona they say si mana omia wana se polonga o mana ngaile wana se polonga o mana ngaile
Radio killer.
Y'all know me, still the same OG, but I've been low-key, hated on by most these niggas with no cheese, no deals and no G's, no wheels and no keys, no books, no snowmobiles and no skis. Mad at me cause I can finally afford to provide my family with groceries. Got a crib with a studio and a saw full of tracks to add to the wall full of plaques, hanging up in the office and back of my house like trophies. But y'all think I'ma let my dough freeze? Oh please, you better bow down on both knees. Who you think taught you to smoke trees? Who you think brought you the ODs? Easy-E's, Ice Cubes and DOCs, the Snoop D-O-double G's, and the group that said the police. Gave you a tape full of dope beats to bump when you stroll through in your hood. And when your album sales wasn't doing too good, who's the doc that he told you to go see? Y'all better listen up closely. All you niggas that said that I turn pop or the firm flop, y'all are the reason that Dre ain't been getting no sleep. Y'all, all of y'all, if y'all don't like me, y'all are gonna keep f***ing around with me and turn me back to the old me.
Say
killer.
Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. It's a bunch of gibberish and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. It's a bunch of gibberish and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre.
Tutti ai puava, ai mapu fanalele. Tama